Hello students. Hope you all are doing well. Okay. So, in our previous lecture, we had discussed about your for loop. Okay, and today we will gonna discuss about your the concept of for each loop. Okay. So basically, it is same like your Java for loop, but the some you can say that the conditional statement are gonna minimize here. Okay, and basically the concept of your for each loop is used for your array. Okay, array, and you can say that this string. Okay, so today I just wanted to give a brief overview of Java for each loop for the basic understanding of your for each loop. Okay. Although we will gonna discuss about your Java for each loop in more detail when we will gonna discuss about your arrays concept. Okay, so today let's take a basic understanding of your for each loop. So let me share my screen once, then we will gonna continue our today's series. Okay, so hope my whole screen is visible. Okay, so let's move toward Visual Code IDE, and today we will gonna discuss about your for each. Okay, for each loop. Okay, for each loop. So basically, let's take a array. Let's take a array that is of your int type. Array is equal to let's take any variables like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So this is my array. Okay. This is your array. Although we will gonna discuss about your array in our next you can say that the upcoming videos. Okay, so this is your array. Okay, so for today just take a basic you can say that the understanding of your basic syntax of your array and for each. Okay, so this is your array, and i just I just wanted to print the each and every element of this particular array one by one in a single line. Okay, then in that particular condition I'm gonna use the condition of your for each loop. Okay, for each loop. Okay, and inside this your you can say that the for each loop. So see here your you can say that the array is of type int type. Okay, so int type, that's why I have to take a variable anything. Let's take x of your same integer type. Okay, and then I will gonna pass my array here. Okay, so the basic concept of this particular line, that is your each and every e- element of your array is gonna store one by one in this particular variable x. Okay, and after that inside your for loop I'm gonna print the x. Okay, so if first element of your array is gonna stare into your x, then I'm gonna print my x, x here. Okay, that is 1, and then after your second element, that is 2, is gonna store in the 2 x, and then after I'm gonna print your x here, that is 2. Okay, so by this basic concept of your for loop, you can try move into your array. Okay, or you can say that the you can make a traversion in your array. So just run it, and then you will see i'm I'm able to print 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is the you can say that the element of your array. Okay, so this is the basic concept of your for each loop. Okay, okay. Let's discuss some problem that I had given you in the lecture of, I think, Java a while ago. Okay, so there are two questions that I had given you guys, that we have to print number, we have to print number 1 to 10, okay, in serial format, okay. So we have to write a program to print number from 1 to 10, okay. So what we will gonna do that we will gonna use the concept of your loops, okay. So first of all we will gonna solve this particular question using your while loop, and then after we will gonna solve this same problem using your for loop, okay. So we have to print number 1 to 10, okay. So first of all, I have to take a variable I that should be initialized by 1, okay, and then after, inside your while loop, I have to pass the concept that uh, I have to run this particular loop till then my whole this 10 number is gonna print, okay. So my I should be greater than or equals to 10, okay. So my I should be greater than or equals to 10, okay. So in this particular condition, I have to print this whole line of code, okay. And then uh, after that, I'm gonna print my I, okay. And then one by one, i'm gonna I'm gonna increase my I by 1. Okay, see, here I had you can say that initialize the value of I by 1, and then I'm gonna check that is I have to run this particular loop till then my I is gonna print for the 10 times. Okay, so my I should be greater than or equals to the 10. Okay, and then here I'm gonna print my I, and then after here I'm gonna uh, I'm gonna update the value of I by 1. Okay, run it, and you can see that okay. I think there is some problem here. Take it at the top. It is not gonna print anything, right? Okay, run it again. Why it is not gonna print? Everything is okay. Then what's the problem here? Let me check it once. Run it. It is not gonna compile perfectly. Pi. Okay, okay, okay. I had taken the condition wrongly here. Okay, and less than or equals to should be then, okay. Then after run this program, then you can see that my whole number from 1 to 10 is gonna print here, okay. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, okay. Same as it is. If you wants to print the 1 to 20, then you have to simply made a change here, it is 20, okay. Now run it. Then see, your whole number from 1 to 20 is gonna print here. And if you want to print this all number in a single line, okay, single you can say that the single horizontal line, then from here simply just remove this ln, okay. Simply you have to write system.out.print, and then run it. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, till 20. Okay. So, this is the basic concept of your while loop. Although we can solve this same problem by using your for loop. Okay. So, how we can solve it? Just declare the for loop here. Okay. For loop here. Okay, and inside your for loop, we will gonna pass some basic condition that our I is equal to 1. Okay, same as it is, our I is equal to 1, and I have to run my this for loop till then 10 times. So I should be less than equal to 10. Okay, this same condition, and then I is equal to I plus 1. You can use this variable, and here I have to declare my I int I. Okay, although you can declare your variable outside your for loop, or also you can declare your variable during your for loop execution. Okay, so these two two cases are perfectly right here. Okay, you can use any method. Okay, so and then after that, inside your for loop, we will gonna print our I. Okay, and then simply run it, and you can see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. You are able to print your number for the 10. Okay, let's make a simple change here. Okay, that you have to print only even number. You have to print only even number that are lie between your 1 and 10. Then what we're gonna do? See, your even number is what, like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay, so these are your even number. These are your even number here. Okay, so what we're gonna do that? Uh, there are two method. Okay, either you can use your modulus operator by simply dividing this value, and second one is you have to only update the value of I by 2. Okay, then you will gonna print your only even number here. Let's check it once. Okay, not two, basically. We have to increase it by, uh, okay, uh, if we have to increase let's define it from 0. Okay, now run this program, and now you can see that there is somewhere mistake. You have to update this value by 2. Okay, I is equal to I plus 2, and then run this program, and you can see that only your even value is gonna print here. Okay, only your even value is gonna print here. Okay, so by using this concept, you can print only the even value in this particular range. Okay, so this is all about your for each loop, and also we have discussed some basics question problem based on your loops. Okay, so till then we will leave it our today lecture, and yeah, in our next lecture we will gonna we will gonna cover our concept of Java arrays. Okay, till then keep learning, keep growing. Okay, have a nice day. Bye bye, see you.